As a perfect dessert for your tomorrow's menu, we suggest that you prepare this baklava with cherries. Start with preparing the sweet syrup. Add the 2 cups of water and 2 2/5 cups of sugar in a pot. Cut the lemon, add half of it in the pot. In a different bowl, add the eggs and mix them with a mixer. Add the 7/8 cups of sugar. In the same pot, add the heavy cream and whisk it. Add the oil and the baking powder and continue whisking. Prepare the baking pan by sprinkling it with some oil and spreading the oil with a brush. Place 2 thin layers of puff pastry and add the egg mixture with the heavy cream. And repeat the process until you have used half of the puff pastry. Add the cherries and some of the egg mixture and continue placing the puff pastry. Use 2 puff pastries and add the egg mixture until you have used all of the puff pastry. Sprinkle the last puff pastry with oil. Let it cook in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. Remove it from the oven and cut the baklava into pieces. Cover the baklava with the cold sweet syrup. Let it rest so that the syrup will enter the puff pastry. Cut 2 pieces of the baklava and serve them on a plate. For this recipe, we spend 60 minutes to prepare. Bon appetit!